these clients call us about their 76 by 240 foot riding arena, and they were worried because the posts were beginning to rot off, and they'd had an inspection on it the year before, and a few of the posts had been rotten, and then this spring they went out and looked and there was more rotten posts. So they were really concerned, and actually one of the homeowners, she wasn't even hardly sleeping well at night because she was concerned about it. They had people riding in it every day, and they were starting to worry about what would happen if too many of those posts rotted off and we got a big wind or something else happened. So that's when they gave us a call, and we came by and looked, and sure enough, the majority of the posts, actually more than we thought. Once we started the work, more posts than we thought were rotten. We replaced all the posts, and then we also enclosed the sides, and we added the tinted polycarbonate to the sides. So from the inside, you still get nice light coming in, but it doesn't let in too much of the heat and UV.